Tired of manually transferring Google Form submissions to Notion? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically zap Google Form Info to Notion in under 90 seconds, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. First, head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap to begin building your automation. Next, select Google Forms as your trigger app, which means this is the app that starts our automation. Choose New Form Response as the trigger. This will tell Zapier to fire every time someone submits a new response to your Google form. Now, connect your Google Forms account to Zapier and choose the specific form you want to use for this automation. Make sure to test the trigger to ensure Zapier can access your form data. This confirms the connection is working properly. Now, let's set up the action. Search for and select Notion as the action app. Select Create Database Item as the action event. This will create a new entry, your Notion database for each form submission. Connect your Notion account to Zapier. Then choose the specific Notion page and database where you want to send the form data. This is the most important step. Map the fields from your Google form to the corresponding properties in your Notion database. For example, map the question name in Google Forms to the name property in your Notion database. Test the action to make sure the data is being sent to Notion correctly. This ensures that the information is flowing correctly from Google Forms to Notion. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, every time someone submits your Google form, the data will automatically be transferred to your Notion database. Now you can enjoy a streamlined workflow, improved data organization, and enhanced collaboration with this powerful automation.